Ever seen a dryer vent clean? How often do you do it? And what's the benefit? That's what we're talking about today. So let's get started. Cyndee Haydon, and I wanted to introduce you to John Harrison, who has been cleaning out people's vents and dryer vents, and I've got lots of info, but again, he does a great job. They've been doing it for how many years?
Since 2005.
2005, so that's a lot of years of a lot of lint, and if you haven't had yours done any time in the last year, you need to give John a call. So here he is, and I'll have his information below.
So your dryer vent should be cleaned like once every year. You will know when your dryer vent is going back, and when you do a load of laundry, it'll take you twice as long to do a load. We have to go back and push it again to get the load done. You can check your lint screen, and normally if you have, she don't have something come out. Hers stays in. Normally when you pull out your lint screen, okay, for instance, and you have lint on only half of the screen, that's a good sign to tell you that something's wrong, that your vent line has something in it and it's clogged. Also, what you'll find when you open up the door, it'll be wet. There'll be like water around the outside of the door, around here. Another sign that something may be wrong with your vent line going outside. So these are signs that tell you that it's time to clean out that vent. So I try to give people as much knowledge as they need, you know. A lot of people don't even know that they have to clean out their dryer vents once a year. I mean, and there's like 10,000 fires a year from dryer vents alone. And the fire department will even tell you to clean it out every 6 months. But we recommend a year. The flapper
so you don't damage it.
Yeah, there's a flapper out there, and when I push my sticks through, this little brush goes through there.
Yeah, you feel it?
You'll see it. You'll see it come out the other side.
Okay. Able to buy it at that. I mean, at that to where we can put the money back. Yeah.
Basically, I add these sticks on, and just keep on adding them on, and I knock the lint loose, and then once I'm done and get outside, I vacuum it all out, into my vacuum, and catches everything. And you'll see the build up right here.
Yeah.
See how it comes out? Now this is pretty good. This probably has never been done in a long time.
It has not. Are you getting stuff out of it?
Oh yeah.
It's not clean.
And it prevents, you know, fire, and it's also good for your dryer, for the life of the dryer. Keep it maintained, you know. Again, the same spot.
Yeah.
With the big clog right there. I can feel it when because my hose kind of knots up, and it just knocks it all loose. My goodness. Okay, here we go again. Look at that. It's just, woo! Dusty.
Woo!
You're probably not going to see too much of it because I'm already through most of the part where it goes up and I need it back out. And now I'm on the other part where I'm going straight through to the other side. I'm close to the other side, so the other side might be full of lint. When I turn the dryer on, I'll let you take a picture of the lint as it shoots out.
Awesome.
And that felt like I was right here at the end, right there.
Blow it out the other side. He has this vacuum that he's hooked up to get it out to the exterior of the building. There's the white dryer vent there. So he's going to shoot it out that side. And we just saw it get blown out, and now the person is going to go up and get the ladder and get some clumps out.
It popped off. I gotta put it back on.
how is that stuff coming out?
I'm hitting it with this here.
Wow. This is the process to clean your dryer vent with special brushes, and again, he'd already pushed it all the way through. Now he's going the outside. Look at all the stuff that was stuck in there.
There it is. Okay. She's on.
Look at all the stuff that was on this side. Now it's all out.
I'm John Harrison. I work for the Vent Cleaner. We've been in business since 2005 in Pinellas County here.
We put out new videos weekly, and if you found this helpful, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, reach out and call us or put them in the comments below.